Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you're all having an awesome day. Alright guys, today we're going to do some Madam Glam. These are the colours that I will be using. Dearest, Glaze D'Amour, Heart Glow, Riverwalk and Love's Veil. I have done 2 of the nails. I'm going to show you what I did. I'm going to put Love's Veil at the top and then I'm going to ombre that into Riverwalk. On the nails, I have drawn 3 hearts and I've got 2 in Glaze D'Amour and 1 Heart Glow. So I'm literally going to do the same thing on this nail. So I've stuck the nails on. It's one of those ones I'm going to be so sad about because it's got peel off base coat. And I don't have any more biab. So I'm using this no wipe top coat, which, to be honest, even if I had a biab, I'd probably still use this because I don't need to do anything to that top coat now, just other than to cure it. Thank you all so much for watching. Oh my goodness. So this is just one of the sets, and honestly I still want Glaze D'Amour all over my nails, just like all over them. But on Heart Glow I used this top coat touches of gold, and it did exactly that. It just added touches of gold to just tie in everything. And I think this is giving very Disney princess Valentine set. What do you think, guys? I absolutely had fun just creating this set. The colors just make it so easy. I mean, come on. What's there not to love about Tints? Amour Tints. It's such a stunning collection. All my nail sisters I've spoken to about this absolutely love it. Everyone feels the same. So Madam Glam, this is a winner, 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 winner. Not chicken dinner, an expensive gourmet dinner. That's what this is. Again, guys, thank you all so much for watching. Please feel free to use and share the discount codes on screen. And yeah, keep your bells on so you can catch me in the next one, because I still have lots of ideas for this collection. But this, I had to get this off my chest. This is just giving just the Valentine goodness, and we used these colors, which I said doesn't matter what you do with this collection, you will come out with something amazing. All right, guys, love y'all. Bye.